The naval power of Athens was a central element of its strength and influence in the ancient Greek world during the 5th century BC, particularly during the Golden Age of Athens. Athens developed one of the most formidable navies of its time, which played a significant role in the city-state's political, military, and economic successes. In the aftermath of the Persian Wars, 490–479 BC, Athens and other Greek city-states formed the Delian League, a defensive alliance intended to deter further Persian invasions. Athens became the dominant member of this league, and its naval forces were at the core of the alliance. Initially, the league included various Greek city-states and islands, with approximately 200 members at its peak. Notable members included Naxos, Chios, and Lesbos. Contributions from member states were collected on the island of Delos, which served as the league's treasury. Over time, Athens relocated the treasury to its own city, which increased its control over league funds. As Athens grew in power, it began to exert more control over league members, effectively turning it into an Athenian empire. Contributions became financial, and Athens imposed its laws and policies on member states. The Athenian statesman Pericles played a pivotal role in consolidating Athenian dominance within the league. Under his leadership, Athens embarked on ambitious building projects, strengthening its cultural and political influence. Athens was known for its triremes, which were warships with 3 banks of oars on each side. These ships were sleek, fast, and highly maneuverable, making them formidable in naval battles. Triremes were equipped with a bronze ram at the prow, allowing them to sink or disable enemy vessels in combat. Athens established key naval bases, most notably the port of Piraeus. Piraeus had 3 large harbors and served as the home port for the Athenian fleet. The city's connection to the sea through Piraeus facilitated the rapid assembly and maintenance of a powerful navy. Themistocles, an influential Athenian statesman, played a crucial role in the development of the Athenian navy. He recognized the importance of naval power and persuaded Athens to invest heavily in its fleet prior to the Persian Wars. Athens' naval strength allowed it to exert influence over various Greek city-states and islands. The Athenian navy was involved in numerous military campaigns, including the Persian Wars, the First Peloponnesian War, and other conflicts in the Aegean. The Athenian navy secured vital trade routes and ensured the flow of resources and wealth into Athens. This further bolstered the city's economic strength. Athens' naval prowess is also reflected in its cultural achievements. The Athenian navy was a source of pride, inspiring the construction of naval-themed art like the Parthenon frieze. Athens' naval power, in conjunction with its democratic government and cultural achievements, allowed it to achieve a level of influence and dominance that characterized the Golden Age of Athens. It played a critical role in the city-state's ascendancy and contributed to the cultural and intellectual legacy that has continued to shape the modern world.